Question number 1. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement begin? Correct answer is option 2. In 1921. Question number 2. Who is considered the first historian of India? Correct answer is option 2. Bana Bhatta. Question number 3. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Correct answer is option 1. 1885. Question number 4. Which text was written during Akbar reign? Correct answer is option 3. Akbarnama. Question number 5. Who lead the Swadeshi movement? Correct answer is option 1. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 6. Which religion was founded by the social reformer Raja Ram Mohan Rai? Correct answer is option 2. Bharamo Samaj. Question number 7. Where did the first war of Indian independence 1857 begin? Correct answer is option 2. Meerut. Question number 8. In which year was the Indian Independence Act passed? Correct answer is option B. In 1947. Question number 9. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is option A. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 10. Which year did the Dandi March take place? Correct answer is option A. In 1930. Question number 11. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start his first Satyagraha? Correct answer is option A. Champaran. Question number 12. What was the main objective of the non-cooperation movement initiated by Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option A. To demand Swaraj self-rule. Question number 13. Who was a prominent leader associated with the Indian national movement now for the term Swaraj? Correct answer is option B. Sudrant Banerjee. Question number 14. In which year did the Short March lead by Mahatma Gandhi take place? Correct answer is option B. In 1930. Question number 15. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option C. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 16. Which act was passed in 1990 that led to widespread unrest in India and was protested by the non-cooperation movement? Correct answer is option B. Rowlatt Act. Question number 17. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Correct answer is option B. Bombay. Question number 18. Whose thought significantly influenced the Indian freedom fighter Bhagat Singh? Correct answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 19. Who coined the term Harijan? Correct answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 20. What was the name of the newspaper founded by Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa? Correct answer is option A. Indian Opinion. Question number 21. In which year was the Quiet India movement launched? Correct answer is option C. In 1942. Question number 22. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is option B. Lord Kilmford. Question number 23. Who first used the term Satyagraha? Correct answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 24. Where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? Correct answer is option D. Cuttack. Question number 25. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of Indian independence? Correct answer is option D. J.V. Kirpalani. Question number 26. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 demanding an end to British rule in India? Correct answer is option B. Quiet India movement. Question number 27. What was the main purpose of the Simon Commission was boycotted by Indian leaders? Correct answer is option A. To review the working of the Government of India Act in 1990. Question number 28. How many provinces were there in India at the time of partition? Correct answer is option C. 13. Question number 29. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the Bangladesh Liberation War? Correct answer is option A. Indira Gandhi. Question number 30. Which British officer did Bhagat Singh attempt to assassinate? Correct answer is option A. Saunders. Question number 31. When was the first session of the Indian Parliament held? Correct answer is option C. In 1952. Question number 32. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option B. Annie Besant. Question number 33. Which movement is associated with the slogan Do or Die? Correct answer is option A. Quiet India movement. Question number 34. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? Correct answer is option D. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 35. Who introduced the first coins in India? Correct answer is option D. Kishan Empire. Question number 36. Who was the second president of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option B. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 37. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Correct answer is option D. 1885. Question number 38. Who played a significant role in the drafting of the Indian Constitution and is often called the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 39. Which Indian leader's birthday is celebrated as Teacher Day in India? Correct answer is option C. Dr. Sarvepalli. Question number 40. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore.